In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make a Christmas card in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on it under the best match. Now from here, we just need to simply look at this option, More Templates. So click on that. Make sure you are connected to an internet connection because you get go on with this process. If you are not connected to an internet connection, you have this option, search for online templates. Simply type Christmas card. Okay, and click on the search icon. So there are a lot of templates that will appear from here. So it's up to you. You can simply choose for your style, for your preference, and for your requirement. Okay, so let me just quickly choose this one. So you just have to click on that and click on this create button. And then there you go. You can now edit this one to create your own Christmas card. So you just need to simply delete this one from here. Okay, and write your own letter to the card. Okay, you have here for the name. Okay, so you just have to delete this one from here for the recipient of your letter and for your name as the sender of the letter. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily do it. And if you want to save it, simply click on the file tab, click on save as, browse for the location, and then simply change the file name to card or Christmas card and click on save, and that will be saved as to where you have saved it anywhere on your Windows. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.